This is another quiet night at home. Your son is sleeping peacefully, and you... Huh? What are you doing? You're going to wake him up. Ah, you're taking his...
I'm here.
The amazing T9. Your transforming, voice-enabled, programmable beast of a toy. Yeah.
You mean my transforming, voice-enabled, programmable beast of a toy?
You can program hundreds of different actions and... Wait, hundreds of different actions?
Yeah, hundreds!
But that's not all. This beautiful and futuristic creature, coming straight out of a science fiction universe, will blow your mind with its capabilities and the abundance of its movements. Through our mobile application, or simply by using your voice.
Hey, T9, open fire!
You will be able to command the T9 at your will. And it doesn't stop here. The T9 also comes with an AR experience that will transform wherever you are into an intense battlefield. Control T9 and help him protect the world from monsters. T9 is not just a toy, it's also a learning tool. With an easy and intuitive app, you and your little one can discover and learn graphical programming, all while teaching your T9 cool new tricks. You won't get enough of it, and it won't get enough of you. When you put him down, T9 is always ready to play, a robot that both small and big kids will enjoy. This is T9. This is T9, the most incredible toy. No, wait, this is T9. He will take you where no bots have ever... Hold on.
It's just awesome!
What's up, Kickstarter? We're really happy to see you. Oh, camera 2? What's up, guys?
Sphero's mission is to inspire the creators of tomorrow. We've been making robots for years, 7 or 8 years now, and we've learned a lot of cool lessons about how to make a robot and why to make a robot.
Over the last 8 years, we've been building robots for all sorts of different audiences. We've got tons of feedback from people, and so we finally decided we're going to build the robot for the people, and this is that robot. Rover is our latest programmable, customizable robot, and it's our most complete, most refined, and most capable robot ever.
Rover is an out-of-the-box robotic platform. It comes along with all this stuff just built in, things like driving and sensors that you can just start on immediately. But the thing that makes it special is it's super expandable.
What's super unique about Rover is we put in a UART expansion port, which opens it up in a way that we've never made available before.
Rover is Sphero's first platform that allows students and makers to be able to hardware hack.
If you've ever messed with a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino or a microbit, you can put that onto Rover and make that project mobile. Rover works with our Sphero EDU app. You get the rich experience of our community and our EDU ecosystem.
You don't have to assemble anything. You can start coding right away.
You get a complete polished product, and then you've got the ability to expand and build it into anything you want. It's got all-terrain capabilities. We've got high torque motors with a high gear ratio, which allows it to go fast, but also allows it to go really accurate at slow speeds.
If something disrupts the treads, or if one tank tread moves at a different speed than the other, they'll still go in the heading that you originally intended, which is something unique for tank-treaded vehicles.
The driving experience is unlike anything you've ever seen before.
We worked really diligently to make sure this gearbox was robust. We made sure every single gear tooth would be able to withstand mulch or rocks.
We have infrared communication that you can use to talk to other robots, other rovers, or even our bolts, so they can send messages to each other, play tag.
We've got an ambient light sensor inside, so it can detect, different light values and behave differently.
Rover includes a 4600 milliamp hour battery, rechargeable via USB-C.
We knew this is first and foremost a tool, and you need to be able to swap out a battery in a tool.
Underneath, there's a color sensor, which allows you to detect the color value that it's driving over and write programming based on what color it detects. It's got a full 9-axis IMU, so we've got gyro, accelerometer, magnetometer.
This is the platform I've been waiting for. It has the accuracy, the precision, the durability, the SDK, the low latency communication. It has everything you need to actually accomplish your mission. Don't just move around, but go do something.
Everything from the gear ratio to the clearance underneath to how you hold it, how you interact with it has been thought through.
We didn't just choose the cheapest option, we chose the right option.
We wanted it to have personality and be approachable and draw people in.
You know, there are a lot of competitor products that are really cool bots, but you have to do a ton of work to get it up and running. Or it's super easy to get up and running, but then it doesn't do that much. The thing we're really trying to do is make something that right out of the gate you can get started, but you can kind of keep going with it for a long time.
Rover is built for you guys. We want the hackers and the makers and the students out there to take it and make the coolest projects out there and help inspire us.
Get a Rover. It's awesome. I am getting a Rover. Probably more than one. You should also do that.
Don't you want one of these? Rover, you're so beautiful.
Help us get the best looking robot in the world to market.
I'm hoping that people enjoy it and use it in all sorts of ways that I never expected.
Thank you so much for checking this out, and we look forward to seeing what you guys do with Rover.
Wake up, Pico.
What?
I need your assistance. We're doing a Kickstarter.
Why?
The humans need our help. There are more robots than ever.
Hooray for robots.
Yes, but the humans think robots are all very complicated. Few understand how we work.
Ha ha ha, that's funny. The humans are complex. We are surprisingly simple.
Correct. We've been designed to let humans code our robot brains. Our block-based robot software makes it easy for anyone to program us and create their own unique robot personality.
Oh wow. Isn't that the smartest, most beautiful robot you've ever seen? Hey, stop that.
See. Complete control.
So you could make me a
Disco bot.
an angry bot. Perhaps I could speak.
Like this.
Olika this.
Or a human will record a voice for me to use.
Exactement.
Hello, can somebody please get that? I'm expecting a parcel. These sensors we have allow us to interact with humans and their surroundings.
Hey, that's my nose. Hands off the merchandise. Did you tell him to do that?
Roll the dice.
Lucky 6. Nearly. Got it.
What's the score?
Forest Green Rovers. 2. Wolverhampton Wanderers. 1.
Our dream is to help the whole world to flourish with robots. Not just big humans but small humans too. But we're not there yet, we're still prototypes. We need your help to get off the production line and into human hands. Hey, that's pretty cool. Where did you learn to do that?
A human must have taught me.
Nice.
So when are we doing this Kickstarter video?
You can check out our full features and robot history below.
This video is a small example of Pico's near infinite programming possibilities. We are super excited to get them out into the world and see what they'll get up to with you.
Active.
Working with electronics can be a mess. same goes for robotics. Dealing with mechanics, electronics, and programming all together at the same time may cause everything to fall apart. Which is why we designed and developed Active Puzzle, a simple language for playing with electronics and for building cute robots. So what is Active Puzzle? It's an exciting 3D puzzle game where each piece has an electronic function. Combine pieces, create robots. For 8 years, we've been trying to challenge children with science and technology ideas, but there were always language barriers. Besides, kids just wanted to play a lot more than they wanted to learn. So we finally discovered the first game that allows them to express their ideas in a universal language. Puzzles, the language they learn before they start talking. So be active. Support Active Puzzle.